Hi guys, it's me. Today, I got a bunch of packages from Amazon. First, I'm going to start off with the saber-toothed tiger. All the rest are dogs, which I really like the dogs. And I didn't even bring my stand to stand my tablet on because I didn't expect to get a bunch of packages to make a video on. So if it's shaky, that's why. First, I'm going to start off with opening this. Too bad I don't even have my stand though. First, I'm going to start off with opening this, the saber-toothed tiger that I got. There's the saber-toothed tiger. I'll probably use it in like a series. Yeah, I got a lot more packages. But yeah, this is a really cool saber-toothed tiger toy. Here's the next package. Oh, whoops. It's the tiny. Oh. It's a tiny toy dog. It's a brown dog with eyes. Yeah, I think it's a Labrador. I think it's a chocolate lab. It's really cute, and chocolate lab sounds like we're making chocolate in a lab. This is the toy dog. I really like it. It's really cute. Oh, and it's very small. And I still gotta get this thingy off, the little tag. Next we have the baby German Shepherd, and it actually comes with an adult German Shepherd. It's the same size as the chocolate Labrador puppy. These two dogs are puppies, and I'm having trouble standing it up because of the tag, but that's the German Shepherd puppy. It's very small, same size as the chocolate lab. It's really cute. The baby German Shepherd also comes with a bigger one, an adult one. Here's the adult one. Yeah, that's the German Shepherd. It's a lot bigger than the puppies, which is normal. The adult ones are supposed to be bigger than the puppies, so yeah, we got the German Shepherd puppy. I mean adult, not puppy. Next we have the dog walker set by Farm World, and well, it's not by Farm World, it's by Schleich Farm World. Here's the set. Oh, that's the corner of the box. Let's open it. Oops. Open it. This video is funny. There we go. So, this is the set. Let me open the box. So there's the Schleich person. Just let me open it really quick. I'm bad at opening things. Like really bad. Alright, let's open the person. This is actually my first ever Schleich person. So, here he is. Alright, we should probably take the stand off. Just let me struggle quickly. Just let me struggle for a second. Okay, there we go. And yes, he does stand on his own. He stands on his own. Yeah, and he's also movable. See? He looks like he's doing a robot while I do that. So he's also a movable person, so let's put that right here. Now we have the dog and the leash. So let's open that really quick. Here's the dog. It's a Labrador. I'm pretty sure this is a Labrador. And it's really cute. It's, if you were wondering, it's not a puppy, it's a adult one. And now I'm going to open the leash really quick. Just not really quick. Just a second, guys. Gotta get this piece of cardboard off.
Okay.
There we go. So this is the leash for the dog. And it's like a rubbery kind of material. So let's put that right here and we'll move the dog. Now we're on to the bigger sets. Now, and there is the set. Yeah, I really like this set. I actually didn't have any schleich dogs before that. There's the other side. This is like all the things you can get, or sets you can get. Alright, let's open this up. There's the roof for the kennel, because this is what you're supposed to have. So there's the kennel parts for the dog kennel. We'll unbox those in a minute. After we unbox the dog, there's another piece. There's the accessories. It comes with a bone, a dog bowl, and a leash. We already have a leash, but there's another leash that comes with the set. There's another dog. And we have the girl. There's the instructions on how to put it together, and how to put the kennel together, and here's another, we got another one of these. It just shows all the things you can get with the other sets by the same person. First, I think we should start off with unboxing the girl. Oh, her head was stuck in the plastic. Here's the girl. It's pretty amazing. Now we got the dog. I think it's a collie, right? I think it's a collie. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. So there's the dog and the girl. Now we will unbox the accessories. Here's a leash. Same material as the other one. Basically the same thing as the other one. There's the bone. And that's compared to my hand. It's pretty small. And we got the dog bowl for the bone to go in. Now I got this little piece, but this is for the kennel. So now we'll put together the kennel. So I'm gonna try my best to put it together correctly because I'm bad at putting things together. So I'll try to put these together pretty well. I think. Oh, I'm doing this the wrong way. All right, I think I put that on piece. I think I put that on right. I think this piece goes on. So here's all the things that came with this set. There's a girl. There's a border collie. I think it's a collie. I think. There's a dog, a leash. There's the kennel, which I put together. There's a food bowl and a bone. That's what comes with this set. Here's the last schleich box. Yeah. This is the puppy playpen set. It's by Schleich, like all of these I think are, right? I think all of these are by Schleich. So this one I don't think is by Schleich. I think all the rest are. All the dog ones I think are. Oh. The dude fell over. Now I'm going to unbox this one. This is the puppy playpen, which I think I already said. Yeah. But now. Puppy playpen. So let's open this. All right. There's the fence pieces. Here's some of the accessories.
Whoa! Guys, I got one of those. It's a giant box.
These are all the accessories that came with this set, which I'll show you once I open them out of the bags.
And we were watching the puppy that go open that.
So here's one of the puppies.
Yeah. I want to.
Now I'm gonna try to open this. Oh. So here's the puppy. And here's it compared to this one. It's very small compared to this one. Same, very small compared to this one.
I got one of my least favorite ones of the gummies.
All right. All right. Keep this quiet. All right, so here's the other dog. It's a Labrador, which I feel like would go perfectly with this one. The other Labrador.
That dude fell over. That dude fell over.
I think it would go perfectly with the other one, the adult one. So here's the teddy bear. There's a teddy bear.
Yeah.
And here is the little Labrador. It's the baby one. And I don't quite know what kind of dog this is. Might be a poodle or something. I don't really know. But it's really cute. Why wasn't I opening it there? So here's the three puppies. And now I'm gonna try to put together the fence, but I might try to do that off camera, So here is the set. It comes with 3 puppies, a bear, a bowl, and this little blanket kind of thing. This little piece, I don't really know what to call it, and this little bed. So here is all the things that we got. I honestly think that some of them, these two I think this one should be the baby one and this one should be the mom. Yeah. Just because they look really close to each other, even though they're in different sets. Yeah. That's what I'll probably do. So yeah, anyways guys, hope you enjoyed me unboxing all these toys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.